Hey everybody, it's Dr. Adam with Bee Wise Farms. It's April 5th. We're out here in the apiary. It's about 45 degrees outside, overcast, perfect day to check on your resources to make sure your bees are going to make it through the rest of winter. So you can see we still got about 1.5 feet of snow here on the ground in the UP, so winter's not over yet. So starvation's still a big risk for our colonies if we do not check on them and make sure they have enough feed to make it through the rest of this winter spell that we've got here. We're looking at warm-ups in about 2 weeks, so we're just getting things ready here. Today we're going to be checking moisture boards, replacing them if they're saturated, checking reserve food stores. We'll add some supplemental sugar if needed, and we're going to be adding pollen today as bees are starting to put on brood. So come and join us today as we take a look at what's going on in the apiary. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this hive. Let's see how we're doing on resources. Our moisture board here. Woo, it's a whole bunch of bees right there. So what you can see from this is that one, the cluster is all the way to the top. This is a big colony as well. And they are motoring through those reserve resources. So look at all that sugar that's gone on the top. I was in here, I guess it's been about 3 weeks ago, and added 4 pounds of sugar. And you see that's primarily all gone at this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some sugar. We're going to add a pollen patty, and we'll keep this colony going. But boy, that's a beautiful colony right now. All right, so after we added sugar, you can see I added I'd say probably about 6 pounds of sugar here. I added as much as I could based on the size of the colony. You saw how big that colony was when we opened this up. Underneath that sugar is a pollen patty as well. So these bees should be well suited to get through the rest of the cold spell that we've got here for the next couple weeks in April and be ready to do splits in May on. So just a little bit of action here. Last thing I'm going to do with this colony is replace the moisture board. It was pretty wet. One of the nice things about moisture boards is that ability to just flip them out and put a new one in. So we'll be doing that as well. Hope you all enjoyed this, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the next video.